1. United Nations calls for restraint, implicit support for India. The UN typically urges both nations to show restraint, but in private briefings and through UNSC members like France and the US, India is recognized as a responsible nuclear power. Since 2019, India's diplomatic credibility has grown significantly, especially after handling terrorism cases, e.g., Pulwama, Balakot, with strategic precision. In 2025, the UN refrains from equating India with Pakistan, especially due to Pakistan's continued sheltering of terror entities under international sanctions. Key pro-India point: India is viewed as a democracy responding to provocation, not initiating conflict. 2. United States supports India's right to self-defense. The US-India strategic partnership has deepened since the signing of Foundational Defense Agreements, COMCASA, Becker. The US publicly affirms India's right to defend its sovereignty, especially after any cross-border terrorism incidents. Washington continues intelligence sharing with New Delhi, particularly against terror groups operating from Pakistani soil. Key pro-India point: the US sees India as a key Indo-Pacific partner and counterbalance to China, a responsible power, not an aggressor. 3. China cautiously neutral but strategically biased toward Pakistan. China has economic and military ties with Pakistan, CPEC, but it avoids outright defense of Pakistan's LOC behavior to avoid worsening India-China relations. After 2020's Galwan clash, India pushed back hard diplomatically and militarily, earning China's respect. Beijing now avoids direct interference in India-Pakistan affairs. China urges peace but quietly watches, wary of escalation impacting its BRI projects. Key pro-India point: even China doesn't openly back Pakistan's provocations anymore. India has earned strategic respect. 4. Gulf countries, stronger ties with India, diplomatic neutrality. The UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar have deepened economic and security ties with India. The UAE awarded PM Modi its highest civilian honor in 2019. Economic investment continues to flow to India, not Pakistan. In 2025, Gulf nations call for peace but avoid criticizing India, a sign of shifting regional alliances. Key pro-India point: Muslim majority countries no longer automatically side with Pakistan. India is now the preferred economic and diplomatic partner. 5. International media coverage. Tone shift favors India. Top media outlets, BBC, CNN, The Economist, increasingly highlight Pakistan's internal instability, while portraying India as a stable democracy managing external threats. Coverage of cross-border terrorism is more nuanced now, reflecting India's consistent stance and evidence-sharing diplomacy. India's press briefings are clearer, strategic, and better received globally than Pakistan's reactionary messaging. Key pro-India point: global media sees India as the side with credibility, facts, and control. Conclusion: global narrative is tilting toward India in 2025. The global community views India not just as a rising power, but as a responsible one. While both countries are urged to avoid conflict, it's clear that world powers place more trust in India's intentions, actions, and democratic credibility. India doesn't want war, it wants peace through strength. And now, the world is finally starting to see that.